Some clothes are sneaky. They don't just sit on your body, they decide how tall or short you appear. A sleeve slipping past your wrist, a skirt cutting at the calf, or a coat swallowing your frame can quietly take away inches without you noticing. These small details often make the difference between looking sharp and looking shrunken. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Wait till you hear the full list we have. You will be shocked at what you have been doing wrong. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Number 1. Neglecting tailoring. This is one of the quickest ways short people lose their style edge. Clothes straight off the rack are made for the average body, and that rarely matches a petite frame. Sleeves run too long, pants puddle at the ankles, and waistlines sit in the wrong place. All of these small details throw off balance and make you look shorter than you are. The truth is, tailoring isn't just for celebrities or expensive suits. Simple alterations like hemming pants to the right length or adjusting a sleeve so it ends neatly at the wrist can completely change the way an outfit looks. Even something as small as taking in the waist of a jacket creates a sharper, more proportional silhouette. Think about it this way. You wouldn't walk around in shoes that are too big. Clothing works the same way. If it doesn't fit right, it won't flatter, no matter how expensive or trendy it is. For short people, tailoring is less about luxury and more about necessity. It's what makes your wardrobe truly yours. Number 2, choosing mid-calf hemlines. When it comes to skirts and dresses, one of the most common mistakes short people make is settling on mid-calf lengths. That cut lands right at the widest part of the leg, creating a horizontal line that instantly makes legs look shorter. Instead of elongating, it cuts your height visually in half. The fix isn't complicated. Knee-length dresses give a clean, balanced line that works with petite proportions. On the other end, ankle grazing or full-length skirts create a long vertical flow, which naturally extends the frame. Both options do more for height than a skirt that stops awkwardly at the calf. Shoes also play a role. Pairing a hemline that sits at the knee or the ankle with nude or leg-lengthening footwear makes the effect even stronger. Pointed flats, slim heels, or shoes in a matching tone to your outfit keep the line unbroken, which helps you look taller and more put together. It may seem like a small detail, but where a skirt or dress ends has a huge impact on how your proportions are read. Choosing the wrong length can shrink your presence, while the right one enhances it with almost no extra effort. Number 3. Wearing boxy or oversized clothing. Oversized jackets, wide tunics, or shapeless dresses may feel comfortable, but they tend to drown a smaller frame. Instead of highlighting your proportions, they blur the lines and make you appear shorter and wider than you are. The trick is not to avoid comfort, but to find structure. Clothes with a defined waist, darts, or seams instantly change how an outfit sits on the body. A belted blazer, a dress that tapers slightly at the waist, or pants with a clean straight cut all work to create balance. These details keep the body in proportion while still leaving room for comfort. Fabric also makes a difference. Heavy, stiff materials can create unnecessary bulk, while softer fabrics with some structure flow more naturally without overwhelming the frame. Choosing pieces that skim the body instead of hanging loosely gives you a polished look that feels effortless. The goal is always balanced. When clothes have too much volume, they control the outfit instead of you. With structured cuts and thoughtful tailoring, your frame stands out clearly, making you look taller, sharper, and far more confident. Number 4. Wearing cropped tops without balance. Cropped tops can be stylish, but on shorter people, they often create problems when worn without the right balance. A cropped length exposes more of the midsection and shortens the torso, which disrupts natural proportions. Instead of making the legs look longer, the outfit can end up looking incomplete. The key is pairing cropped tops with high-waisted bottoms. High-rise pants or skirts lift the waistline and give the illusion of longer legs, which works in harmony with the shorter top. Layering also helps. A cropped sweater worn under a tailored blazer or a cardigan creates shape and balance, keeping the outfit polished. Length plays an important role too. Tops that end just above the hip bone are usually more flattering than those that stop higher up. They show enough structure without making the body appear cut off. For those who like cropped styles, choosing slightly longer versions can achieve the same look while still protecting proportions. Number 5. Ignoring proportion in outerwear. Long coats that drag close to the ankles or oversized puffers that add bulk tend to overwhelm a petite frame. Instead of keeping you warm and sharp, they hide your shape completely and make you look smaller. The right coat length makes a big difference. Cropped jackets that hit at the waist help define proportions and highlight the legs. Mid-thigh coats are another great option because they create vertical lines without swallowing the frame. Blazers tailored to the hips can also sharpen the upper body and balance overall height. Details matter here too. Coats with clean lines, subtle structure, or belts that cinch at the waist naturally create a vertical flow. This guides the eye up and down rather than side to side, which is always more flattering for shorter builds. Outerwear should frame the person wearing it, not the other way around. Choosing the right cut and length turns coats and jackets into finishing pieces that highlight your style while keeping proportions in check. It's a simple shift that makes a noticeable difference every time you step outside. Number 6. Oversized accessories. Accessories can either elevate an outfit or completely throw it off balance. For short people, the mistake often lies in choosing pieces that are simply too large. Big handbags, chunky belts, or oversized statement necklaces might look bold, but on a smaller frame they dominate the outfit and make the person seem even smaller. Scale is everything. A handbag that sits comfortably at the hip or a crossbody with a slimmer strap keeps proportions in check. Medium-sized bags give enough presence without overshadowing the wearer. When it comes to belts, narrow or mid-width styles define the waistline without cutting the body in half visually. Jewelry follows the same rule. Instead of one heavy necklace or large earrings, layered delicate chains or smaller studs often look more refined. These details frame the face and neckline without overwhelming them. Number 7. Ignoring shoe choice. Shoes are often treated as an afterthought, yet they can completely change how tall or balanced someone looks. For shorter people, heavy or dark shoes are a common mistake. When paired with lighter pants or skirts, they create a harsh break in the leg line, making the body appear cut off. The smarter choice is footwear that blends with the outfit or skin tone to keep the line continuous. Nude shoes are especially effective with dresses or skirts since they extend the look of the legs. Pointed toe flats and heels also work well because the shape naturally elongates the foot, giving the impression of added height. Color matching is another simple trick. Dark pants with dark shoes or light trousers with light shoes keep the proportions neat and uninterrupted. Even low-profile sneakers in the right tone can look polished without shortening the frame. The right pair of shoes will quietly support the entire look. Number 8. Overdoing black from head to toe. Black is often seen as the safest color in fashion, and many people rely on it because it feels slimming and versatile. For shorter individuals, though, wearing black from head to toe can create the opposite effect. Instead of looking sleek, it can appear flat, harsh, and even make the frame seem smaller. The key is breaking up the monotone with variety. Textures are one way to do this. A knit sweater paired with leather boots or a silk blouse under a structured blazer keeps the look alive without stepping away from black. Another option is to soften the palette by mixing in neutrals like grey, navy, or camel. These tones still look refined while giving more depth and dimension to the outfit. Accessories also make a difference. a colourful scarf, a metallic belt, or even jewellery can add light to the face and pull the eye upward. These small changes prevent an all-black look from becoming heavy or overpowering. Number 9. Clinging to outdated denim. For short people, older cuts like baggy bootlegs or low-rise jeans often do more harm than good. These styles add bulk around the hips, hide the natural leg line, and make the body look shorter. Modern denim options are far more flattering. Straight leg jeans create a clean line from hip to ankle, which visually lengthens the frame. Slim or slightly cropped ankle styles are also great choices because they highlight footwear and keep the outfit neat. High-rise cuts are another smart option as they lift the waistline and give the illusion of longer legs. The wash of the denim also matters. Dark, even tones can create a more polished look, while overly faded or heavy whiskering often adds unnecessary distraction. Choosing a consistent wash without too many extra details keeps the focus on the overall silhouette. Denim is timeless, but not every style ages well. By updating the cut and finish, shorter individuals can enjoy the comfort of jeans without sacrificing proportion. It's one of the simplest ways to refresh a wardrobe and instantly look more current. Number 10. Overmatching outfits. Coordinating colours can look sharp, but taking it too far often works against shorter people. When every piece of an outfit is the same colour or the same print, the look tends to fall flat. Instead of creating style depth, it removes contrast and makes the outfit appear one-dimensional. The better approach is to play with tones, textures, and small variations. For example, pairing a navy blazer with denim jeans works because the shades differ slightly while still complementing each other. A knit sweater with smooth trousers adds contrast through texture, even if the colours are close. These subtle shifts bring energy into the outfit without overwhelming a petite frame. And that's it. Now to you, which of these mistakes are you guilty of but you didn't know before? Share yours in the comments section below. Let's engage as you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos like this one.